Okay, so we learned the Tinkercad chapter. So in that, what happened, Krish? First, we learned the Tinkercad. What is the Tinkercad? Why we are using the Tinkercad? First, we introduction the 3D printing. What is the 3D printer? For the printing, we have to use the 3D printers also. There are for the next level in the class 6, it will be came. Next is the components of the Tinkercad screen. There are different types of the components. We are also learning the what is the use of them: undo, redo, delete, work plane, ruler. No, ruler will become also in the 6. Moving and scaling the object, changing the work plane, aligning the objects, mirroring or flipping the objects, grouping and ungrouping the object, create the hollow objects, and lastly we learn the hiding and the showing the objects. Now from that we are going to learn the exercise. We are solving that. Request to every student, please sit with your textbook and pencil. That's why you can tick here only. And after the
Ma'am, one
complete,
second, wait, please.
please.
And please wait some time. Let me bring a textbook and pencil and compass and rubber and
Okay, so open the page number 41. Now first question is that select the correct option. Which of the following option can be used to create the hollow object? Hold, scale, align, move. Anyone can tell me?
hole.
Yes, answer is the whole. You can take the MCQs in the book only. आप ये सिर्फ book में ही करोगे. No need to write down this thing in your textbook. Next, B. Observe the figure given below. Which of the following option should be used to get the result shown figure? अगर ये first image आपको दी हुई है, green and yellow is there. To convert it in the second, which option is used? Answer is a group. B. Right. Answer is the B. Now, next page. Which option will Neha choose if she has to turn over roof horizontally? अगर उसको horizontally roof को move करना हो तो उसके लिए हम क्या use करेंगे? Align, flip, group, ungroup.
Align.
We have to move it horizontally.
Flip.
Aligned is used for the left side, move left side, right side, top side, down
Flip.
side. Yes.
Flip.
Answer is the flip.
Flip.
Answer is the flip. To select multiple objects in Tinkercad, we can press. Please mute yourself.
The shift.
Shift.
The shift.
First complete me the sentence, then you can speak the answer. To select multiple objects in the Tinkercad, we can press the blank key from the keyboard while clicking on the objects. Tab, Shift, Enter and Alter. Answer is
Shift.
the Shift. Very good. Now, next one. Label and explain the use of the following options in the Tinkercad. First, what is the image of it? I am writing the name only. You have to be explain it also in the notebook. I tell you it the virtually, but you have to be write it down in your notebook by yourself. First, what is the image of it? First किसकी image है? Yes, you have to write down in the notebook. What is the?
मैम आज की नेक्स्ट क्लास में
मैं बता रही हूँ. पहले हम ये
आज ओके
पहले हम ये कंप्लीट करते हैं, then I will be give you the whole instructions. Okay. So for what is image of this? What is the first image? It's a
Redo.
undo, not a redo. It reverses the last action performed. This is the use of the undo operation. It reverses the last action performed. B. What is the image of it? ये किसकी image है? B वाली?
Group.
Group. Sure. It's a ungroup.
Yes.
तो मैम ग्रुप की कौन सी है?
ग्रुप में ये जो बीच में आपको सर्कल की लाइन दिख रही है वो नहीं दिखेगी. You can see in the Tinkercad also. What is the image of C? Sorry, what is the name of C? It's a duplicate. Okay. D. What is the D? What is the D? Anyone? This is the align symbol. Next. What is this?
Copy.
Yes, it's a copy. Next. What is this?
क्यूब.
It's a view cube.
View.
Okay, I am taking the use of them one by one. Undo is used to reverse the last action performed. Ungroup, it ungroups the grouped objects. जो group हो गए उनको ungroup करने के लिए हम use करेंगे. Duplicate, it used to duplicate the selected objects. Align, it is align the selected objects with each other for two objects only. Copy, it copies the selected object. And view cube, it allows you to view the object placed on the work plane in 6 different views. 6 word will be compulsory. अगर आपने 6 word नहीं लिखा है, that will be a wrong. Okay, now next you have to write down in your notebook this textbook this one. Uses are also written in your notebook. Now we are going for next one. Rearrange the steps given below in the correct order to create the hollow object as shown. यहाँ पे आपको already image के form में आपको steps दिए हुए हैं. Now you have to be arrange the steps given below. यहाँ पे आपको नीचे steps भी दिए हुए, उसको आपको rearrange करने हैं फिर this steps only. First, I am read the steps. Then we are concluding that first which step will be came first, second, third, and the fourth. First, lift the smaller box above the larger box using the triangle handle. Click the whole option and group both objects. Press Shift key and reduce the side of box proportionally. Add the box on the work plane. Press Ctrl D to duplicate it. So which one will be came first?
Then last one will came first.
Very good. So last
Fourth
one.
one.
Last second will come
Then
second.
Okay. First we
And
are
then the third.
Wait. This is the first. Now which one be a second? Press
Second is the
second
name.
last second.
Then second last. Third.
This is the second. Then
Third.
first is the
Third.
third. And last. As
नहीं
I
मैम.
remember 4. Yes? हाँ सही है. हम हॉल करेंगे तभी तो लास्ट वाली इमेज आएगी ना. We have to group them ना. For the second image we have to be follow the first one. अगर हमें सेकेंड स्टेप करना है, सेकेंड इमेज वाला स्टेप करना है, तो आपको ये जो फर्स्ट वाला दिखाई दे रहा है, लिफ्ट द स्मॉलर बॉक्स अबव द लार्जर बॉक्स यूजिंग द ट्राइंगल हैंडल. फॉर दैट वी हैव टू बी डू दिस. This is the way. 3 4 2 1. Write down in your notebook. Sorry, in the textbook only.
मैम
Hmm.
मैम क्वेश्चन आंसर हम बिटवीन अस में से लिख सकते हैं?
हाँ, बिटवीन अस में दिए ही हुए.
मैम आप भेजोगे?
Yes, I will be share also.
मैम आप भी.
Answer the following. Priya wants to create a house in the Tinkercad.
मैम आज हम लोग पूरी एक्सरसाइज ही कंप्लीट कर दे, 4 के 4 क्वेश्चन उसमें, यानी कि जो हमने टेक्स्ट बुक में कर लिए वो नहीं, बाकी के.
मैं आपको बताऊंगी, मैंने पहले ही बोला, फर्स्ट हम एक्सरसाइज कंप्लीट करेंगे, देन आई गिव द इंस्ट्रक्शंस टू यू, सो यू हैव टू बी वेट फॉर कंप्लीटिंग द एक्सरसाइज. Answer the following. Priya wants to create a house in the Tinkercad. She added a rectangle on the work plane. How can she add a roof on the top of the rectangle? So anyone can tell me for that? Yes?
Priya use
Another work plane.
Yes, use another work plane and put the roof on the rectangle.
Yes, very good. And she can add the roof on the rectangle and resize it. But you have to be arrange it and write down in the steps. Next, B. How can we change the height and width of an object in equal proportion? How can we change height and width of an object in equal proportion? Anyone can give me for that? Anyone have an idea? Okay, whenever you change height and width, if you want to do the equal proportion, for that press the shift key and drag the white or the black arrow to change the height or the width. Whenever you are pressing the shift key and changing your height or width, then it will be came into the equal proportion. Shift key is compulsory for that. Third, how can you scale an object uniformly without changing its proportion? How can you scale an object uniformly without changing its proportion? Only one key we are learning here. Shortcut key are the different one. But using a shift key, we are doing a more operations. हम shift key का use करके हमने बहुत सारे operations perform किए हैं. So for this also we can press the shift key while dragging any one square handles. अगर हम white या black handle को move कर रहे हैं, उसको resize कर रहे हैं, press the shift key. So you can change, you can scale an object. उसका यूज करके आप स्केल मीन्स मेजरमेंट, आपको दिखती है ना हाइट, वेट, विड्थ, दैट विल बी बाय यूजिंग अ शिफ्ट की, यू कैन सी इट. Mention the keyboard shortcut to duplicate an object. Which shortcut key is used? For duplicate, for copy,
D.
yes, for duplicate कंट्रोल प्लस डी. कॉपी के लिए हम यूज करते थे कंट्रोल प्लस सी, वैसे ही हम डुप्लीकेट के लिए यूज करेंगे कंट्रोल प्लस डी. दैट्स इट. This is our exercise we done here. Now it's time for the lab activity. Create the 3D designs in the Tinkercad. You can see it's a one house and a roof. You have to be created. What should you have to do? You have to be first take a one rectangle. Above it there is a roof जो हमने पहले बनाया था, same वही बनाना है, but On that you have to take the small rectangles here like this. या फिर आप और एक चीज कर सकते हो, पूरा एक रेक्टेंगल लेके उसके अंदर हॉलो बना सकते हो इतनी थिन साइज के. Two possibilities of yours, you can make any of them. B, you have to create this one object also. Okay, in the Tinkercad. This is the task of today. Lab activity आपको आज ही करनी है. Next thing, where you have to be write down your exercise. Tomorrow I will be send a one assignment to you. मैं आपको एक assignment भेजूंगी. वो assignment about the our chapter. That assignment you have to write down in your notebook. After completion of that assignment, राइट डाउन द एक्सरसाइज आफ्टर इट. उसके बाद आप एक्सरसाइज लिखोगे, लेकिन एक्सरसाइज में फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन आप नहीं लिखोगे. दैट इज अ मल्टीपल चॉइस क्वेश्चन.
हमें अभी आज एक्सरसाइज नहीं लिखनी है, उसकी जगह कल लिखनी है.
यस, टुडे यू हैव टू
कल असाइनमेंट लिखने के बाद.
टुडे यू हैव टू परफॉर्म द मैथ लैब एक्टिविटी. आज आपको लैब एक्टिविटी करनी है. कल मैं आपको एक असाइनमेंट भेजूंगी. वो असाइनमेंट नोटबुक में कंप्लीट करने के बाद फ्रॉम क्वेश्चन नंबर 2 लेबल एंड एक्सप्लेन द यूज ऑफ द फॉलोइंग ऑप्शन, यू हैव टू राइट डाउन योर एक्सरसाइज. फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन आपको नोटबुक में नहीं लिखना है. फर्स्ट में आप सिंबल ड्रॉ करना पड़ेगा. फर्स्ट वाले में, सॉरी सेकंड वाले में, क्वेश्चन 2 में आपको सिंबल्स ड्रॉ करके उसका नाम लिखना है, उसका यूज करना है. थर्ड में आप डायरेक्ट आंसर लिखोगे. फोर्थ में क्वेश्चन लिख के आंसर लिखोगे. अंडरस्टूड एवरीवन?
मैम क्वेश्चन 3 में मैम हम इधर ही, मैम क्वेश्चन 3 में हम बुक में नहीं कर सकते मैम, यहाँ से फर्स्ट सेकंड डाल के मैम?
नहीं, आपको नोटबुक में लिखना ही है उसको, क्योंकि फिर आप भूल जाते हो कि हमने क्या किया था. एक बार लिख दोगे तो याद हो जाएगा.
मैम